Craving something savory, juicy, and packed with flavor? These lamb feta peppers are a total game changer. Start by browning ground lamb in a hot skillet. Let it sizzle until perfectly golden and fragrant. Add garlic, onions, oregano, paprika, salt, and pepper. Stir until everything is beautifully combined. Turn off the heat and fold in crumbled feta cheese for a creamy, tangy kick. Fill halved bell peppers with the lamb mixture and bake until the peppers are tender and slightly caramelized. Top with fresh parsley and serve warm. Juicy lamb, melted feta, and sweet roasted peppers in every bite. Save this recipe and try it tonight. These lamb and rice stuffed grape leaves are tender, flavorful, and absolutely irresistible. In a bowl, combine ground lamb, rinsed rice, finely chopped onion, garlic, parsley, salt, pepper, and a touch of lemon juice. Lay a grape leaf flat, add a spoonful of filling, fold the sides in, and roll tightly into a small bundle. Arrange them seam side down in a pot. Add broth and a squeeze of lemon for extra flavor. Cover and simmer gently until the rice is perfectly cooked and the leaves are tender. Serve warm or chilled with fresh lemon wedges. Every bite is juicy, herby, and packed with Mediterranean goodness. Save this recipe and try it tonight. Craving bold Mediterranean flavor? This juicy lamb souvlaki is tender, smoky, and absolutely irresistible. Start with fresh lamb, cut into bite-sized cubes for the perfect skewer. In a bowl, combine olive oil, lemon juice, garlic, oregano, salt, and black pepper. This classic Greek marinade is the secret to incredible flavor. Cook the lamb well and let it marinate for at least 1 hour, longer if you want even deeper flavor. Thread the lamb onto skewers, spacing the pieces evenly. Grill over medium-high heat for 8 to 10 minutes, turning occasionally until beautifully charred and cooked through. Serve with warm pita bread, fresh tomatoes, red onions, and creamy tzatziki sauce. Simple, authentic, and packed with flavor. Homemade lamb souvlaki at its best. If you love Mediterranean comfort food, this Greek lamb and orzo is a must-try. Start by browning ground lamb in a hot pan until rich and caramelized. Add garlic, onion, oregano, paprika, salt, and black pepper. Stir in crushed tomatoes and let everything simmer until thick and flavorful. Add orzo directly into the pan with broth and let it cook until tender and creamy. Finish with fresh parsley, a squeeze of lemon juice, and a drizzle of olive oil. Top it with crumbled feta cheese for that authentic Greek touch. It's hearty, comforting, slightly tangy, and packed with bold flavor in every bite. Save this recipe and follow for more easy Mediterranean meals. This Greek lamb stew is pure Mediterranean comfort in a bowl. Start by searing tender lamb pieces in olive oil until deeply browned and flavorful. Add chopped onion and garlic, then stir in oregano, thyme, paprika, salt, and black pepper. Pour in crushed tomatoes and rich broth. Add bay leaves and let everything simmer low and slow. Toss in potatoes and carrots and let them cook until fork tender and infused with flavor. Finish with fresh parsley and a squeeze of lemon juice to brighten everything up. It's hearty, tender, and packed with bold Greek flavors in every bite. Save this recipe and follow for more comforting Mediterranean meals. If you love rich, bold flavor, these grilled lamb shoulder steaks are a must-try. Start with thick lamb shoulder steaks. Drizzle with olive oil and season generously with salt, black pepper, garlic, rosemary, and a squeeze of fresh lemon. Let the steaks rest at room temperature for 20 to 30 minutes to absorb all that flavor. Place them on a hot grill. Listen to that sizzle. Grill for about 4 to 6 minutes per side, depending on thickness, until nicely charred and juicy inside. Remove from heat and let them rest for 5 minutes to lock in the juices. Slice and serve with grilled vegetables or roasted potatoes. Smoky on the outside, tender on the inside, grilled lamb done right.